Getting tired of your Android phone vibrating when someone calls you on Messenger? You can turn it off in just a few steps. In this video, I'll show you how to stop call vibrations on the Messenger app. Let's get started. First of all, launch the Messenger app on your phone. Tap the three lines icon on the corner. Tap on the settings. Scroll down. Tap on notifications and sounds. Look for the vibrate on ring toggle and switch it off. This should disable it from the app. You can also disable the vibrations from your phone's settings. The method will vary with the device model, but the option is usually found on the app notifications settings. I'm showing a Samsung phone as an example. First, open your phone settings. Scroll down and find apps. Tap on it. Look for the Messenger app here. Click on it. Tap notifications. Open notification categories if available. Here, find the incoming calls or similar categories. Toggle off the vibrate option for this category. And that's a wrap. You've now learned how to turn off call vibrations for your Messenger app on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like and leave any questions in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. For now, take care.